Unit 2. Lesson 1. Keep fit. Read the article. What is each paragraph about? Take my advice. Fitness is very important. Unfit people cannot enjoy life. They get tired very quickly, so they cannot play games. They cannot run. In fact, they cannot even walk without getting tired and out of breath. So, if you want to enjoy life, you should get fit and keep fit. How can you get fit? You should take exercise regularly. Games like football, basketball, and netball give you plenty of exercise because you have to run all the time. Swimming and cycling are also very good forms of exercise. If you don't like any of these, you can just go walking. You should walk quickly for about 20 minutes every day. Walking slowly will not make you fit, and walking to your bedroom will not either. Some people think that taking exercise is boring, but it doesn't have to be. If you take exercise with your friends, you will have fun.